Okay, friends, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do our Am I Ready paper. And with our Am I Ready paper, I want you to pause it between each one if you need to. Okay, so before you watch the rest of this video, I want you to make sure that you have answered the questions. Remember, this one isn't about what's right or wrong. This one is more about trying to see if you know all of the things that they're going to be looking for you to know in this chapter. So if you haven't done the front side that's up on the smartboard now, pause the video and then come back to it and watch the rest, okay? So I'm going to go around and get ready to start writing in answers. That'll give you an opportunity to pause it, okay? Okay, so in numbers 1 and 2, it's asking us to circle the time. So the digital clock is what we see here, and hopefully you circled 7 o'clock. Okay, and the digital clock here, hopefully you circled 5 o'clock. Okay, and now this number line is pretty easy for us. All we had to do was find the missing numbers. So if you found the first box, hopefully you wrote in a 6, and if you found the second box, hopefully you wrote in a 10. Okay, and down here, numbers 4 and 5, we were skip counting. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and then 20. And number 5, we're skip counting by 5. So hopefully you remember how to do that. So 5, 10, 15, 20 they gave us, 25, 30, 35, 40, and then finally 45. Okay, so hopefully you did that well. Go ahead and take one of those crayons from your crayon box and fill in the bottom with how many you got right, okay? And then let's go ahead and flip the paper over. So this is going to review our vocabulary. And we have 3 words that we're talking about here: afternoon, evening, and morning, okay? And afternoon is any time during the day that's considered from 12 o'clock really until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And our morning is any time from really 1 o'clock until 11:59 in the morning. Really, it's 12 o'clock, midnight, is considered morning. But for now, we're talking about from when you wake up until 11:59 or lunchtime. Okay, and then evening is from that time right before dinner until you go to bed. So that's our evening time. And our directions say write about an activity you do for each time of day. Use morning, afternoon, or evening in each sentence. So you want to write a good sentence here talking about that. So for the first one, in the morning, you could do very simple like I eat breakfast in the morning. Okay, so we want to use the word in our sentence. Alrighty? Now, I want you to see what you can come up with for afternoon and evening. Maybe even think of some new things that you're doing at home right now, because since we're not in school, but it could be doing school, watching TV, taking a bath, brushing your teeth, all of those things that you would normally do. All right, so don't forget to do your 15 minutes of MobyMax in Fact Fluency. I'll be checking that later tonight. Otherwise, that's all we have for math today. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.